Once upon a time, in the beautiful forests of Panchavati, Princess Sita lived happily with her husband, Prince Rama, and his brother, Lakshmana. They were kind and brave, but they were also far from their kingdom, living in exile. One day, a golden deer appeared near their cottage. It looked so beautiful that Sita wished to have it. She asked Rama to catch it for her. Rama, always eager to make Sita happy, went after the deer, leaving Lakshmana to guard her. As time passed, Sita heard Rama's voice calling for help. Worried, she begged Lakshmana to go find him. Lakshmana was hesitant, but he finally agreed. Before leaving, he drew a magical glowing line around the cottage, called the Lakshman Rekha, and warned Sita not to step beyond it. Just then, an old sage arrived, asking for food. Sita, kind-hearted as she was, wanted to help him, but he stood outside the Lakshman Rekha, and she had to step beyond it to give him food. The moment she did, the sage transformed into Ravana, the 10-headed king of Lanka. He was actually an evil demon in disguise. Ravana quickly grabbed Sita, lifted her into his flying chariot, and took her away to his golden kingdom. Lanka, Sita cried for help, but the mighty Ravana was too strong. As they flew over the sky, the great bird Jatu, a friend of Rama, tried to stop Ravana, but Ravana was too powerful and wounded Jatu badly. Far away in Lanka, Ravana kept Sita in a beautiful garden called Ashok Vatika, hoping she would agree to stay with him. But brave Sita refused. She knew her Rama would come for her, and so Rama and Lakshmana set out on a great journey to rescue Sita. With the help of their new friend, Hanuman, and his army of monkeys, they would face many challenges, but Rama was determined to bring Sita back. Moral of the story: always be careful when trusting strangers, and never step beyond safety without thinking. But also, true love and bravery will always win in the end.